Hi friends, welcome to our channel Farms Info. Today I will discuss about the topic of thyroid hormones. First we see what is thyroid hormone. The thyroid hormones are synthesized and stored in the thyroid follicles. The follicular cells of thyroid gland secrete iodine containing amino acids, and these are triiodothyronine and tetraiodothyronine, which are important for the growth, development and metabolism. Next we discuss the biosynthesis of thyroid hormones. The iodine is necessary for the synthesis of T3 and T4 is derived from the food and iodine supplement. Once the iodine is taken up by the thyroid gland, iodine undergoes a series of enzymatic reactions that convert it into active hormone. Next, steps involved in the synthesis of thyroid hormones. There are 5 steps. First one is uptake, second one oxidation, third one is coupling, fourth one storage, fifth one release. The first step is uptake. Uptake means the uptake of iodine. The uptake of plasma iodide by thyroid cells by an active transport process with the help of sodium iodide synthetase. The step 2, oxidation. Oxidation of iodide to iodinium ions by a thyroperoxidase enzyme with the help of hydrogen peroxide. These combine with tyrosine residues of thyroglobulin to form monoiodotyrosine and diiodotyrosine. Step 3. Pairs of MIT and DIT are coupling to form T3 and T4. These are catalyzed by the same peroxidase enzyme. The T3 is a combination of MIT and DIT. T4 is the combination of DIT and again DIT. Step 4. Storage. Thyroglobulin containing iodinated tyrosine residues are stored in the follicles. Step 5. Release. The hormones T3 and T4 both are released in the circulation. The overview of synthesis. First, the plasma iodide, which is uptake by the iodine by the help of active transport sodium iodide synthetase. Then conversion of iodinium and tyrosine residues by the oxidation with the help of thyroperoxidase by hydrogen peroxide. It leads to the iodination to convert MIT and DIT. Both are in a coupling reaction to form T3 and T4. T3 is a combination of MIT and DIT. T4 is the combination of DIT and DIT. Next, the regulation of secretion. The thyroid secretion is regulated by TSH secreted by the anterior pituitary and TRH from the hypothalamus. Normal secretion of T4 is 70 to 90 microgram per daily. Normal secretion of T3 is 15 to 30 microgram per daily. In peripheral tissue, most of the secreted T4 is converted to T3, which is the active hormone. Both are extensively bound to plasma protein. T-half of T4 is 6 to 7 days and T3 is 1 to 2 days. T3 is more potent than T4. Then mechanism action of thyroid hormone. The thyroid hormone act on specific receptor. Thyroid receptors are nuclear receptors like the steroid receptors. T3 enters to the cell which bind to the receptor, and T3 receptor complex move to the nucleus where it binds to DNA, then activates gene transcription and regulates the protein synthesis. Pharmacological actions. First one, produce major effect on growth and metabolism, increase in BMR such that the basal metabolic rate, promotion of growth and protein synthesis, increase in absorption and utilization of glucose, increase in rate of cholesterol synthesis in the liver. Next, the pharmacokinetics. Thyroxine is well absorbed from the duodenum and ileum when taken orally. Oral bioavailability of levothyroxine is 80%. T3 and T4 can also be given in intravenous. Thyroid preparations. First one is levothyroxine, second one levothyroxine. Levothyroxine is a T4, levothyroxine is a T3. In therapeutic use, first one is the replacement therapy, which consists of cretinism, second one is the hypothyroidism and myxedema coma. Then second therapeutic use is non-toxic goiter, third one is thyroid carcinoma, fourth one miscellaneous. The miscellaneous contain infertility, refractory anemias, non-healing ulcers.